Alright, so I got this Smartlock, the bracelets flare fittings. So this is just your flare ones. So I got a couple of them here. Suede unions, A2L compatible. So this is a pamphlet right here, all their information. Carrollton, Texas. So you got a 90. This one looks like aluminum to copper. Cool. So this is all the connections that I can do. So, alright, so this is what it looks like. So this is a Suede union. So one side will be, I know this is more of a flare, but see, like this one will go over this one, then you can just get a regular size. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. So when you get them, it comes with instructions. It shows you how to use it. Everything here. Shows you how to tighten it and everything. So in the box it gives you how far. So like, let's say for example, if you want, this is mark 2 here. So then you get a marker and then you just mark it like right here, bam. So then this fitting, I know the different sizes, but in theory this fitting is supposed to fit like somewhere in here. Then one side will go to flare and then the other one, so this one, so it'll tell you where this will go. So swedge side, so like let's say this is the swedge. In theory this one will go like this. Then your regular pipe will go in here. So not bad. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take this one apart. So I got the 3/4, 3/8. So they saying like once you use it, they recommend if you want to take it off, that not to reuse it. So, but we're going to take it off. So it has this part here, has an O-ring in there. And then so you got another O-ring here, here. So this is the middle. So you got this piece, there goes a O-ring right here. So this piece I guess is what they don't want you to reuse it because of this piece. So this piece like bites down onto this fitting or to the copper. So if you want to reuse, like let's say something happens, you got to cut it out or reuse this. This is what you need to replace. And then you can reuse all the red pieces. So let's say this is, I don't know, you make a mistake or something happens. You cut this off, take this piece out, you get a new one of this, and then you can reuse all these fittings. So let's say you put this piece in there, then yes, you can use all this all over again. Yeah. So that's it. So we're going to keep looking into these and see how all this stuff works. So this one's already bitten down on it. So I'll say this one don't. This one you can't. It's hard to move. So it's in there. So I think when you tighten it, that's what smushes. Like clamps this piece into the copper. Let's see. let's see. So this bad boy is just stays in there. It turns, but it's not coming forward or back. So it's already locked in. So then you got the O-ring right there. Okay, then you got this piece. It goes there. So it'll look like something like that. So let's try. So these are all switches, so it's not like a true coupling, because this has to go on. So yeah, I guess I can use it there like that, and then this bad boy. So once you break this, do not remove strip. Follow instructions. Yeah. So that's what it's gonna look like. See? Then when you tighten it down, this piece is going to grip into the copper. So yeah. So I can slide it out. So yeah, we're going to try one of these pretty soon in the field, but just to give you an idea what we're going to come up with. So a little excited to try these out. So then when we use them, obviously it's going to have to be on the king valve. So these are going to go on the king valve right here, the 3/4, if we have that size. So I know for sure this size we'll have. So yeah, all right, cool beans.